Importance of organizing. Importance of organizing. The organizing function is very important in the business as it coordinates all other areas of business operations. The importance of this function can be well explained with the help of following points. Benefits of specialization. In organizing, every individual is assigned a part of total work and not the whole task. This division of work into smaller units and repetitive performance leads to specialization. Thus, organizing promotes specialization, which in turn leads to efficient and speedy performance of tasks. Clarity in working relationship. It helps in creating well-defined jobs and also clarifying the limits of authority and responsibility of each job. The superior-subordinate relationship is clearly defined in organizing. Effective administration. It provides a clear description of jobs and related duties, which helps to avoid confusion and duplication. Clarity in working relationships enables proper execution of work, which results in effective administration. Optimum utilization of resources. The proper assignment of jobs avoids overlapping or duplication of work. This helps in preventing confusion and minimizing the wastage of resources and efforts. Adoption to change. A properly designed organizational structure is flexible, which facilitates adjustment to changes in workload caused by change in external environment related to technology, products, resources, and markets. Development of personnel. Sound organization encourages initiative and relative thinking on part of the employees. When managers delegate their authority, it reduces their workload, so they can focus on more important issues related to growth and innovation. This also develops the subordinate's ability and helps him to realize his full potential. Expansion and growth. It helps in growth and diversification of an enterprise by adding more job positions, departments, products lines, new geographical territories, etc.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.